Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing lots and lots of DIY, high-end dupes and trash to treasure. Everything related to home within budget. If you like such content and are new here, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below and also the ringing bell icon beside it so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Today I am participating in monthly Look for Less challenge being hosted by Yami from the Latina next door and co-hosted by Yelena from the Blondie next door. The links to their channels and playlist is given in the description box of this video. My today's inspiration is from Wayfair Pumpkins Wall Decor. This pumpkin for sale wood and metal wall decor. There is enamel metal against the wood. And look at the price, $53.99 US. Well, I think I can make it for free. I went to the internet and I was looking for some fonts to put my sign in, and luckily I found this image on the internet and I could expand it and get it printed. But as you see, the pumpkins have come out really dark. Some problem with the printer. All my prints are coming very dark. So anyways, I'll work with this only. First I'll cut the pumpkin shape out and then I'll cut the wooden piece out. I'm going to make a false wood. I cannot cut wood that easily. So I just erased the sides and just left this margin so that I know how the shape of the pumpkin will go, so that it's easier for me to cut it out. Next, I took a piece of cardboard slightly bigger than this one. It's big enough that I can keep margins on all the four sides and the top has little more extra. So I'm just going to trace the outline, say an inch outside the paper, and then cut it out using a sharp knife. And here in the center I'll get my stalk. Then I'm going to cut this with a sharp knife. I always say cut the cardboard with knife and not with scissors, so that the shape is maintained and the strength as well. Now the cutout is ready. I'm going to give it the wood plank feel. So I've taken a ruler and one can see in the corrugated cardboard, one can see the stripes, the way the corrugated layers are formed, and therefore I can make parallel lines easily. And I'm just taking a ruler and making these depressions as if these are different planks of wood. So see, these are distinct depressions that are being made with little pressure. I'm not measuring or trying to be equidistant. I'm just keeping things random. So here are all the different planks of wood ready. Now let's stain them. I'll use different colors to shade them now. So here you see me trying to bring the different stained look of the wood using some white and black acrylic paint. So at places I'm just diluting it, at places I'm just doing dry brush, just to give that variation of wood look. We'll get that neutral farmhouse look with this. Here I'm just highlighting the joints of the planks so that it looks two distinct planks joined here. So while the paint dries, I'm just trying to add some color to this dull print. Now because there are two different shades coming, one the print which is dull and over which I'm going with a thick felt pen, because there are two different shades, it will give a feeling of depth to all this writings and pumpkins. So it will add to the 3D feel which is there in the inspiration piece. This piece is just for decor in my home for this season, so I don't mind it that it's made of cardboard and paper and not a permanent thing. And I think it looks great. My wood is ready, my plate is ready, and all I have to do is center it and glue it here. Now if you see me, I'm adding glue near the edges of the pumpkins, and I have added glue a little away from the edge of the paper, because when it sticks it will give an elevated look to this. Press center outwards. So you can feel there is still some air between the paper and the wood, or the plate and the wood, and therefore it gives a feel of a plate stuck and a 3D effect is enhanced here. I think this is ready to hang, but we can do a little more shading, and I think I'll do that with pencil, just to give that highlight of the plate being elevated. Not evenly, some places, as if it's making shadows at places. I'll just attach a hook at the back and it will be ready for decor. Here is the inspiration piece, and here is mine. I love mine, and that too for free. It has the perfect modern farmhouse vibe, and great for this fall season too. The wood finish and metal look both have come out beautifully. What do you think? Write down in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe to my channel and I shall soon see you with another DIY video. Until then, be creative, be positive and be happy. Thank you.